Hi, my name is Teacher and I'm happy to meet you. What is your name?
I'm Sandra Sabel I. Lopez.
Wow, good job, Kendra. But can you say I am Kendra?
I am Chandra.
Again, I am Kendra.
I am Chandra.
Wow! Good job, Kendra. Wow. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Oh, can you say I am
I am four
4
years
years
old.
old? Wow, good job. Yeah, I give you a star. Great job, Kendra. Wow. Okay. Are you ready, Kendra?
Yeah.
Can we start? You like to start?
Yeah.
Can you say, I am ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, 3 times. You say, I am ready, ready, ready.
I'm ready.
Wow! Yay! Okay, let's go to our topic. Hmm. Okay, before we start, Kendra,
Yeah.
may I ask you, what is the weather?
Raining.
Raining. What is the weather today? It's
Sun. It's
no.
raining.
Yes, the weather is raining. This one, no?
Raining.
What's the weather like today? Okay? And you will
Raining.
answer. What's your answer, Kendra?
Huh?
Today's weather is today.
Raining.
Yes. Okay. Repeat after me, okay? Today's
They
weather
weather
is
raining.
raining. Yay! Yes, you say today's weather is raining. Good job, Kendra. You did a great job. You want an ice cream, Kendra? I give you ice
Yes.
cream.
Yum,
Yummy, yum,
yum,
yum, yum. Yummy ice cream. Okay, we start now. Can you see my picture here in the screen?
yeah.
Can you hear me loud and clear? Can you
Yes.
hear? Yes. Can you hear me? Okay, you can hear me, Kendra. Can you see this one? What
Yeah.
What do you see? What do you see, Kendra?
Huh?
What do you see?
A raincoat.
A raincoat. Oh, good job. You see a raincoat. Okay. Okay. Oh, it is weather fun. Weather fun. This one, do you see? What do you see here? I will circle the picture, okay?